Okay, so today we are going to download Antigravity. Antigravity is Google's new IDE for developing apps, programming, and doing all sorts of coding. So today we are going to download it and install it. I'll know how it works. Okay, so the first thing you need is a browser as usual, and I'm using Google Chrome to download it. So what we'll do is that we'll have to type antigravity by Google. Okay, so you just choose this link. Okay, so we have this. Looking at the website is very nice. I like how the animation is behind the text, very nice. And when you go down, this is a welcome video to Google Antigravity, so you can just watch this video as well. And I like how they've explained all the things here: cross surface agent, user feedbacks, and everything that you experience when using it. Okay, so we'll just download it. Okay, let me just click on download for Windows. I'm not sure if there's an app for Mac yet, so MacBook yet. So now I only see Windows here, so we'll just download for Windows. Okay, so I think this is where the Mac OS. So if you are using a Mac OS, you can download any of this depending on whether you are using Apple Silicon or Intel chip. So you just download anyone, and those using Linux too can download from here as well. Or Windows, if you are using x64-bit, you download this one. If you're using 64, you download this one. So I'm using 64x64, so I'll download this one. Okay, so it's downloading. I'll just click on save. Okay, so you can see it is downloading. Okay, we'll wait for a bit. After that, we'll install it. Okay, so now it's done. I'll just click on it to open it. Okay, so let me just click on OK. Let me go to where it is located. So I click on this. Okay, now when you open it, this is what you see. You see the terms and conditions or the license agreement, and just click on I accept the agreement. Okay, so you just leave this one just as it is. Okay, make sure you have enough space so that you can install it on it. So just click on next. Just leave this one as well. You can decide to create a start menu folder for it, but I'll just leave it like that and just click next. Okay, so make sure these are ticked, and you can, if you want a desktop icon, you can just take this. Okay, so let me take this as well. You can leave this one. Okay, so next, install. So now it's done. I'll just click on finish. Make sure this is ticked so that it will open the Antigravity app. So finish. Okay, yes, let me click on that and open it here rather. Okay, Antigravity app. So allow. Get to know that Windows Firewall can block some of the activity. So make sure you allow it and don't deny it. Allow it so that you can use the app. Okay, So now welcome to Antigravity. Let's get you set up. Okay, so now let's click on next. Okay, start fresh or import settings from another IDE. So you can import settings. If you were using a VS Code, you can import your settings from there, but I want to start fresh, so make sure start fresh. Okay, so now choose an editor theme type. You can choose dark, a Tokyo night, light, a solarized light, depending on the one you want. So I'm a dark theme person, so I'll choose a dark theme. Next. Okay, so how do you want to use the anti-gravity agent? Select one of them. Okay, so I want the already selected one because it's recommended, so I'll choose that one rather. Okay, so now click on next. Key bindings, configure your key bindings. Okay, so I'll leave everything here as it is, then choose next. Now you have to sign in into Google. Okay, so your Gmail address and your password, that's what you are going to do. So I'll just click on sign in with Google. Now I type in my Gmail. 1 2 3 4. Okay. Okay, so this is the correct one. Now you have to check your phone. A notification will be sent to you. You have to make sure that your phone is connected to the internet as well, so that you receive a yes. You can also choose a different way, but I want this way. So okay, so it's not showing. Let me try another way and select. Okay, so it's now showing. I'll just click on, I'll choose yes. Okay, yes, it is me. Okay, so okay, let me just tap on yes here. I need to show again. I'll choose yes. Okay, yes, it is me. Okay, so that's it. Just click on sign in here. Then click on open anti-gravity. Okay, so that's it. Now make sure this is selected. So this says that yes, I agree to allow Google to collect and use interaction data as defined in the Google Antigravity terms of service and consistent with the Google privacy policy for the purpose of evaluating, developing, and improving Google. You can just leave it or untick it depending on what you want. I'll just leave it. Okay, so now this is the interface, and the interface is just like VS Code. When you look at it, it's just like VS Code. You have the files here. Okay, just like VS Code. I can say just a copy and paste of VS Code. A copy and paste of VS Code. So that's it. Downloading and installing. You can now start using it, and you have your AI agent here or assistant here that if you need help with anything, you can just ask. Or you can also let it generate the whole work for you as well. You can do that as well. Okay, so that's it. You can download extensions as well here. and download extensions here. All this are there just like VS Code, so you can just, so I'm sure anyone that is familiar with VS Code is also will become familiar with anti-gravity. Okay, it's just similar, the same thing. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Just make sure that you subscribe and like this video, and we'll be posting more of videos like this and also other tech videos as well. So make sure you are subscribed so that you will not miss any of them. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.